Hi, I'm Randy Hugh with Smartboardsreviews.com, and today we're going to do a review on the eBeam Edge. And we just got a new box today, so wanted to give you a little insight and take a look with us as far as what you get in the box and how easy it is to install. So let's go ahead and take a look at the box. So you're going to get a package that looks like this. When you open up the box, with it, what you're going to get is a stylus. You're also going to get the receiver. You get a little quick setup guide. And you're going to get a cable to go in and install the receiver to your computer. Looks like we get some accessories here with a battery for your stylus. You get the software. And it looks like some additional tips for your stylus. Okay, so why don't we go ahead and go over the setup. Okay, so to start the installation, we want to have the projector connected to the computer. And then the first thing we're going to do is we're going to install the software. So we click through the installation wizard. The Luidia Interact installer pops up. We click on eBeam Interact. We continue. And we install the software. Yeah. You walk through the wizard. Okay, so now after we install the software to the computer, we take our cable, we plug it into the computer, and we're going to attach the receiver onto the whiteboard. So with the receiver, you can put it on the left side or the right side of the whiteboard. And we're just going to attach it. It has a little adhesive that you can attach straight to the whiteboard. And then we're just going to plug in the cable that comes with the package. So now what the software is asking us to do is to calibrate the system with the stylus pen. And so you can see on the screen here, it looks a lot like the Palm Pilot. So we're just going to go ahead and click where the little target is. And this is going to calibrate the stylus with the system. And we're done with the calibration. So now I'll be able to use my stylus up here in front of the whiteboard as if I was using a mouse, in front of the computer itself. So for example, if I wanted to go to YouTube, all I would have to do is click. And now we're on the YouTube channel right there, all by using my stylus. Okay, now that we have the software installed and the system all calibrated, what we get is the eBeam palette. And so it's kind of cool because now we can go ahead and we can import or be able to show any type of documents, PowerPoint presentations, your lesson plans, PDF file, etc. Straight from the whiteboard using the palette. So then to go ahead and open up a document, we'll go ahead and click on the scrapbook icon. So after we open up scrapbook, we're going to go ahead and import a background image. And again, this could be your PowerPoint presentation for the lesson plan, a PDF file, a Microsoft document, etc. We'll go and open up this document for right now. Have it scale proportionately. And here we have our lesson plan up. Now I can go ahead and move my eBeam palette. It gives me a highlighted marker. Now I can change the size or the thickness of this marker. So there might be certain areas of this document here or this image that I want to highlight for the students. I can go ahead and highlight this area using the highlighter. If I want to go ahead and give a little bit more annotation, I can put an arrow here. I can say this part here is important. Okay, so we can go ahead and we can change colors of the marker to a number of different colors. So if we want orange, we can highlight that there. Certain areas we might want to erase, we can use the eraser tool. And so we have a full interactive experience with our classroom. You know, once we're done with the lesson plan, and if we kind of want to replay it back, we have this functionality to replay. And here this is going to go ahead and show us how our lesson plan kind of developed through the time. Beautiful. Okay, so we showed a little bit about some of the functionality, you know, how easy it is to set up. You know, literally, this is the first time we've received the product, and with less than 10 minutes, we were able to set this up, get all the software installed, and actually start using the system, you know, within 10 to 15 minutes. So it's extremely easy to use, and you know, if you have a chance, I think you should try and check it out.